Hey everybody, it's Kim from Funk and Junk. So I wanted to do something really cool for the holidays, and I thought, why not start up some kids crafting classes? So this crafting class, we're going to be doing this pumpkin or gourd, and we're going to be using Annie Sloan's chalk paint for this. And why? Because it's a really easy product. Easy meaning it comes out of your clothes easy, washes off easily, dries quickly. You can blend her colors so beautifully. So kids are going to get to try out 35 colors that Annie Sloan makes in her palette. And they're going to be able to color a pumpkin or a gourd, and they're going to come home with something unique. So stay tuned to see how mine's going to come out. And that's it. Take care. Hey everybody, it's Kim from Funk and Junk. So I introduced you guys to the kids crafting class, and that's this cute little pumpkin gourd painted in the striped Annie Sloan paint. But I thought, what better way for moms to get out of the house and come to the store and create and design your own thing. Same like kids, but this one's a little more mature. So we're gonna paint it one color, and the reason being is we're gonna be decorating it with all of these gorgeous things that we all have outside. So anyway, stay tuned. You'll see what the class is the rest of the pumpkin looks like at the end. And then you can go online and check out all the classes for the holidays. Thanks. Hey everybody, so it's Kim from Funk and Junk Furniture, and I just wanted to give you guys the big reveal. So this is it. This is the project we're going to be working on. That's the adult and that's the kids version. So check it out. The calendar's on funkandjunkfurniture.com. The classes are on there. Come to the class and you'll create and design the perfect pumpkin for the holidays. Take care.